Configuration Guide for Apparo Fast Edit for Qlik Sense and AWS. Please check that port 4242 of the Qlik Sense machine is open for inbound. The first step is to copy and import the Apparo Qlik Sense app to your Qlik Sense environment. Open the Qlik Sense Management Console and import and publish this app. The app contains examples for the Apparo Fast Edit features. The next step is to create a certificate that will be used for communication between Apparo and Qlik Sense. Copy now this generated certificate into the Apparo virtual machine. It must be stored into the root directory. Now it is time for starting the Apparo Configuration Manager. It is necessary to define the host name of the Apparo virtual machine and your Qlik Sense environment. Please enter here the external host name of the Apparo server. Change the possible protocol to HTTP. That means the communication must be done using HTTP only. HTTPS is possible too, but in this case you need a certificate for the Apparo virtual machine. Enter here the host name of your Qlik Sense environment. The admin domain, admin login and password are necessary for connecting to your Qlik Sense. The login user must have the role root admin. The setting password for SSL is the password that you have defined for the new certificate. Paste here the Apparo license key into this setting. If you don't have the valid license key, then please contact the Apparo support. With test configuration, all settings will be tested. You will see some errors in the log because Apparo is trying to contact a non-existing email server. You can ignore these error messages. Now we can copy the generated files to Qlik Sense. These files are new Qlik Sense extensions that are necessary to run Apparo. Just copy all files in the etc file directory. Paste all files into the client file directory of Qlik Sense. Please import these extensions now. In this example it is important to publish the Apparo app. Open now your Qlik Sense hub with protocol HTTP. Open the Apparo app. You see different pages that are showing the possibilities of Apparo.